Ever find yourself wondering if your salsa steps are in sync with the rhythm, or if you're interpreting the music correctly? There's a solution at your fingertips. Welcome to the world of the Salsa Dancer's Assistant app, an innovative tool designed to help you master the art of salsa dancing. One of the standout features of this app is its built-in metronome, a tool that every dancer, from beginner to professional, will find indispensable. The metronome helps users practice and perfect their salsa steps, ensuring they're in harmony with the beat. It's like having a personal dance instructor in your pocket, providing a steady beat to guide your every move. But the features of the Salsa Dancer's Assistant app don't stop there. For those who are keen to understand the rhythm of salsa music, the app introduces musical symbols. By understanding these symbols, users can not only dance to the rhythm, but also understand the intricate musical structure that makes salsa music so captivating. In essence, the Salsa Dancer's Assistant app is a comprehensive tool that aids in practicing salsa steps with the help of a metronome and understanding salsa rhythm. To summarize, the Salsa Dancer's Assistant app is a must-have tool for every salsa dancer. With its user-friendly metronome, it's more than just an app. It's a personal assistant, a guide, and a companion on your salsa dancing journey. So, the next time you find yourself questioning your salsa steps or the rhythm of the music, remember, the Salsa Dancer's Assistant app has got your back.